When you're coming to Porto, check out the food market. It's about a 10-minute walk from the centre of town and well worth the visit. There's just about everything here: meat, bakery, fish, veg, spices. Established in 1939 and then revamped around 1914, Balhao has been a busting belly for over a century. The name comes from a bubbling spring that once graced the spot where the market now is. The only bubbles you see now, though, is the wine that they're drinking as they walk around the market. Some lovely cakes. Hola. Pasties de nata, a custard tart that's Portugal's answer to happiness. Fresh flowers. There's a whole selection of cheeses here. And they do a little plate tasting, as you can see. Very good value. So if you're coming to the market, be sure to get a plate of cheese. And all of these cheeses are vacuum sealed as well, so they won't smell in your bag. So if you want to take them back, no problem at all. So any gifts that you're taking back, also the perfect place for it. Upstairs there are some restaurants, so you can go and have lunch. If you want coffee, then you do that down here and get a table, or there are some coffee shops just outside. Going back to the cheeses, look at this little cone of cheese, the whole mixture. Prices there: cones €10, €5 gorgonzola, another cone mixed €5. Wow. Nuts, just about every type of nuts here. So you can do it by the 100 gram or by whatever you need, or there are small packets on the top. Dried fruit, hola. More nuts. Tutti frutti mix, blueberries, fruit mix. Wow. Olives. A whole mixture of olives. You can also get a mixed tray, little kebab, couple of kebabs there. €2.50. Olives, pickles, dried skewers. Whole selection of olive oil. Lots of chocolate. So you see a lot of chocolate sardines around, and the question that goes on everyone's mind is this: no real fish, it is a chocolate shaped like a sardine. You see a lot of this here in Portugal. Yes. Huh? One of the fruit and vegetables. Some beautiful chilies. Look at the size of these tomatoes here. Lots of garlic hanging up, chilies hanging out. See a marrow. give that in perspective, there's my hand and there's the marrow. Look at that, look. Oh my god. The smells you get walking around are incredible, from when you go past the fish and you get the lovely smell of the prawns, and even here with the veg you get some great flavours. And then coming behind me over here we have the herbs and spices. I mean, this is just incredible. Have a look. Look at all these chili types. Ancho chili, chipotle, carbonado, bird's eye chili, scorpion chili. Lovely coffee stall here. Also herbs and things that you can use for de-stressing and calming, different blends. You can press the button and smell the aroma. Have a go. There you go. Did you get it? Thank you. Are these traditional Portuguese? Yes. Veal, Portuguese stew. Quite big. We had the sausage one yesterday, which is just down here. Very, very nice. So when you come into the market, you want something hot, stop here and grab something, followed by a cake, of course. More cakes, more pasties de nata. Grab a snack. Good selection. So it's 11:30 a.m. and yeah, grab some wine, walk around the market, which you can do with your glass. Wines, ports. So this is more than just a market. It's a vibrant hub where the vendors share stories and flavours, embodying the spirit of the city. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this useful, and we'll see you in the next one.